My name is Daryl Albright John. You can call me Daryl. I am a teacher in Betong Vocational College, where over here we teach vocational subjects such as automotive, welding, culinary arts, accounting, and another 4 more subjects. Over here, we also have several subjects such as English academics. So I am one of the lecturer teaching English.
Nice.
And our students here range from the age of 16 until 19 years old, where we offer them diploma after they graduate the college. Of course, because I've been to both, I do prefer physical conference, but we're talking about times of uncertainty, and we're talking about times where we do not know what's going to happen in another country, and especially in times of pandemic, where we have threats in terms of in terms of diseases and whatnot. So online conferences is the way to go. But in the future, I hope that we can all gather around and have academic discourse and share our personal values on education.
Yes, yeah.
Yes, I would like to encourage them, because versus the conventional method of having the conference physically, having the conference online, that means they can do it at the comfort of their houses, their offices, or wherever they are, and delivering the academic research and also sharing the thoughts on academic subjects, also topics. Of course, when we talk about online, right, it's much cheaper, much more accessible for everyone. So we can encourage, a lot of people to just share their opinions on whatever things that they have in the country, so that we can learn together. So I'll suggest them to do so. Why not?
Thank you, then. Thank you.
Positive feedback is I get to actually understand the academic situation in other countries. That day was Romania, and also some from other countries as well. So I discovered that the problem that we encounter in Malaysia is also the same as in other countries, such as internet connectivity, such as also maybe English language proficiency. So that is something that I learned, and also they suggest new ways how to tackle that problem, so I can adapt that to my classroom or to my other colleagues over here.
Okay.
Have a good day to you too.
Yeah, thank you.
Pleasure.